Alright, so this is some footage that Troy gave me of an antelope hunt that he went on with his brother-in-law in Utah. They were able to get it done on a nice antelope, and I want to share it with you guys, even though I have nothing to do with this video. I'm not even in it, but I thought it was a cool video. So, put it together for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think.
Here we are, me and Pugalophagus, Sarah, Jesse. We're gonna go murder an antelope. If you want to come, then just keep watching. Bye. As soon as he settles. You want me to arrange him? He's running away. I'm on him. He's moving. I'm on him. I'm on him. Oh. Oh, you dropped him. Yeah, he went down. Nice.
Hopefully he's big, I guess. I don't know how to judge antelope, so he might be a little dink when we get up there, but...
You killed the 2-point.
Yeah, we killed the 2-point anyway.
You killed the 2-point regardless.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's him for sure.
Come on, boys! I'm gonna take a temporary video.
Wow.
Not bad.
Yeah, let's get him set up here. Look, come look.
Hold him up there, Pug. Oh, wow. Is that cool, Heston? Yeah. Is that your daddy's back? Dad, it's ready. Should we get some pictures of Pug and Gira?
Well, guess it's time to get to work, huh?
What, did you want to go see Pop's game? Papa,